Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to enlarge or increase an image size using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option, this menu bar, and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this image and select, and here you can find this image increase decrease option. You can increase this one here this way and see this. In this way you can increase decrease your image size. Another way also you can increase decrease image size. Click on this format option, and here you will find this height and width option. I'll make it height 300 and wide also I'll make it. I'll remove this lock proportion 300 and 400 wide and set enter and see this. This image size now changes and increases. In this way you can increase your image size, your desired scale. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.